Sun in Taurus, in the fifth house, the cosmic blueprint. If your sun is in Taurus in the fifth house, you are here to romance the world. The sun represents your core identity. Taurus is the sign of physical beauty and enduring worth. And the fifth house rules creativity, play, passion, and self-expression. When these energies merge, your life purpose becomes centered around creation and pleasure. You aren't here to live a sterile, joyless life or rush through the beautiful moments. You are here to take your time, indulge your senses, and build tangible masterpieces, whether through art, romance, or a life lived with absolute curated style. The hidden strengths. Your greatest superpower is your patient, highly physical creativity. Because the fifth house governs self-expression, your Taurus drive gives you a rare ability to take abstract creative ideas and turn them into real physical assets. You possess a brilliant eye for aesthetics, texture, and design. In romance, you are incredibly magnetic, deeply loyal, and dedicated to creating a secure, sensory-rich experience for the person you love. You have an instinctual ability to find pure joy in the present moment, inspiring others simply by showing them how to slow down and savor life. The shadow and cosmic lessons. But a heavy focus on comfort and pleasure can easily turn into an anchor of stagnation. Your biggest challenge is creative laziness and a stubborn possessiveness in relationships. Because you love comfort so much, you might fall into the trap of overindulging in food, luxury, or leisure, refusing to do the hard work required to finish your projects. In love, your desire for security can manifest as treating your partner like a prized possession, reacting with intense jealousy if the dynamic changes. Your cosmic lesson is the art of detachment. You must learn that true joy is wild and free, and that your creations must be shared, not hoarded. Ultimately, you are here to teach the world how to create lasting beauty and live with an open heart. If you want to dive deeper into the rest of your birth chart puzzle and discover how your planetary placements interact, make sure to hit that notification bell. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below if you have your sun in Taurus in the fifth house. See you in the next breakdown.